we got a Tos here. We'll have all the specs. Nice through hole on it. Got a lot of tooling here. Bunch of carbide inserts. Multiple tool holders. Some never used. Or at least resharpened and redipped. I'm not certain which. But there they are. And a bunch of Aloris tool holders. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus the one on the machine makes 7. And there's your post. Aloris. Like I say, there's a bunch of carbide inserts. It looks like this here, my friends, is the center for the chuck, or in the spindle. Here are your here is your manuals. Okay? Face plates, or backing plates for another chuck if you want to put it on there. Change gears. Multiple Morse taper drills, Shank style. You have a Acu-Rite DRO reference manual, and there's a Jacob's chuck with the Morse taper on it that'll go into that tailstock. It has a travel dial, thread dial and a travel dial. It has a steady rest, and it has a crank on it. To move it around with ease. It was broke once, but TIG welded up, so it has coolant, tank, and pump. Ken, does the coolant tank, does the pump run?
I believe it does, yes.
You believe it does? Let's turn it on and see if it does. Yeah, it's empty. It's empty. It was growling a little bit. I don't know if it needs a new motor or what, but that's the pump. I don't know if it's growling because it's empty, but you got the tank and a pump on it anyways. And the real kicker is this readout's like a year old. So, you know, to put a set of readouts on a lathe this size would cost you $3 grand at least from Acu-Rite. I've already shown you that in the video so far, but there's the scale. You can tell it's pretty fresh. It's a Tos Trencin, made in Eastern Europe. It's ready to go. Thanks for watching.